I have cracked IBPS RRB with 100% accuracy. I got 40 out of 40. You also can do that. So let me share my score, my strategy, my study plan with you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
My name is Akash Shukla and today we are going to discuss three most important topics, that is it possible to score 40 out of 40, and in a whole question paper is it possible to score 80 out of 80. My marks in IBPS RRB exam I will be sharing with you, as I told you earlier, my study plan and strategy as well. So let's start with my marks, how many marks I got in reasoning and quantitative aptitude section of IBPS RRB. As you know that in IBPS RRB, basically in IBPS RRB there are two subjects. First is quant and another is reasoning. For prelims, we are talking about prelims exam specially. So here is reasoning. So guys, in quantitative aptitude section there are 40 questions of 40 marks. Okay, and in reasoning section again there are 40 questions of 40 marks. So guys, you won't believe that people can also score 80 out of 80, that means 40 out of 40 in quant and 40 out of 40 in reasoning. So this is what the video is all about. So we'll be discussing these things. So let's start guys. So this is my mark sheet, my scores guys. My name is Akash Shukla and belong to Uttar Pradesh. I am from general category and this was the date of the prelims exams. And guys, maximum score was 80 for 40 in reasoning and 40 for numerical ability. So the total score was 80 for the whole question paper. So cutoff of score for the provisional shortlisting for online main examination required for journal. Basically there is a section cutoff. You need to score the minimum of that marks to qualify the question to qualify the exam basically. So 18 marks were there for the reasoning section and 15.5 marks were there for the numerical ability section, and so the total score 70.75. okay, total score 70.75 you need to have to as an cutoff. Okay, so my obtained score, so how many marks I scored in reasoning section guys? There was 40 marks I scored in reasoning section and 37 marks I scored in numerical ability section. But how we'll be discussing about how you can also do that. So in reasoning section guys, in reasoning section I attempted 40 questions. Okay, 40 questions and they were of 40 marks, so I got 40 marks. Okay, that means, what does that mean? 100% accuracy was there. Okay, 100% accuracy. And in numerical ability I attempted 36 questions. Okay, 36 questions, but the question paper of my shift was little bit difficult in terms of the numerical ability section, so I got 1 marks as a normal after the normalization process. So in this way I got the 37 marks in numerical ability section. Okay, so as a whole I got 77 marks out of 80. Okay, out of 80. So guys, there were two things you need to adapt that I have adapted. One is speed. Okay, one is speed and another is accuracy. If these two things you are maintaining while doing your preparation for any competitive exam, then you can definitely crack that competitive exam, because only these two things are responsible to make the man successful. Okay, so I scored 77 out of 80 just because of the speed, my speed and my accuracy as well. Okay, so I'll be guiding you how you can do that. So let's start my strategy. Let's start with my strategy and my study plan as well. So for example, quantitative aptitude. So quantitative aptitude, the numerical ability for RRB PO and RRB clerk, if we discuss, then the first thing come in my mind, that is simplification was the important topic guys. Okay, so simplification is an important topic where 10 to 15 question in clerk or 5 to 10 question in RRB PO. Okay, and another one is number series. Okay, number series. So from number series 5 questions are there, whether it is from wrong number or missing number series. And the another important topic or the scoring topics we are talking about right now. So DI data interpretation. Okay, data interpretation in which table based and bar graph based, pie chart based and line graph based. Okay, so these and K-slate, yeah, obviously K-slate was also there. So K-slate, so these 4 types of DI can ask in competitive exams like RRB PO and RRB clerk. So 10 to 12 questions in RRB clerk and 15 to 20 questions in RRB PO you will encountering with. Okay, so you must know these things properly. And another important topic is quadratic equation, guys. Quadratic equation, a set of 5 questions is there in the examination, and these 5 questions are completely different from each other, so you must know all types of questions from quadratic equation. Okay, so 5 questions were there. Apart from that, miscellaneous topic, okay, miscellaneous topic like profit loss and discount, okay, SI and CI, partnership, guys, ratio and proportion, percentage, guys, okay, and age based problem obviously, and average, time and work, speed, time and distance, most important topic STD, basically speed, time and distance, where average speed related problem, simple problems, okay, and train based problem, and boats and steam based problems. So sometimes you will see 2 to 3 questions, 3 to 4 questions from speed, time and distance only. Okay, time and work also covers pipe and system, okay, pipe and system concept is also there, and mensuration. One of the important one of the topic that you really encountering in will be encountering in question paper, that is probability and permutation and combination. You can also read this topic, okay, if you want to score 40 out of 40, definitely probability and permutation and combination. So when I start preparing myself for this competitive exam like RRB PO and clerk, then I used to start my preparation. Basically, I only read simplification, number series, DI and quadratic equation, these topics from which 29 to 30 questions we can easily get in the question paper. Okay, so 29, 32 these are the most scoring topic, that's why, because 29 to 32 questions are there in the exam. Okay, guys, and the miscellaneous topics you can prepare these topic but with basic concept. You must strong your basic concept regarding this topic. Only the basic concept related questions being asked in the competitive in the RRB PO and clerk. So you need to make your basic strong as much as you can. How you can do that? Do practice. Just do practice as much as you can. You can definitely score 40 out of 40, guys. So this was my strategy or study plan. Okay, and now I'll be sharing my strategy and study plan as well with you of reasoning ability section. So if we talk about the reasoning ability section, guys, the first thing come in my mind, that is puzzle and sitting arrangement. Okay, puzzle and sitting arrangement. This is only the topic from which 15 to 20 and sometimes 20 to 25 questions are asked in RRB PO and clerk or any banking insurance exams for the prelims especially. So this topic becomes very important, guys. Okay, so whenever you start reading the reasoning ability section for while doing your preparation, then just start with puzzle and sitting arrangement. So do the puzzle and sitting arrangement related question as much as you can. Okay, so do these questions, do these as much as you can. Okay, as much as you can, because you know that practice makes a man perfect, and how you can be perfect and how you can take yourself toward the perfection just by practicing puzzle and sitting arrangement questions in the reasoning ability. Okay, and apart from that, coding decoding, guys. Okay, coding decoding, blood relation and direction sense test. Yeah, direction sense test is also there. Direction sense test, yes. And apart from that, SILOCs, one of the most scoring topics, SILOCs and inequality. Okay, in RRB clerk you can easily encounter with these both these topics. Okay, so 5 questions are there, and 3 to 5 questions again 3 to 5 questions, again 3 to 5 questions, guys. So these are the topics from which the questions are being asked, and obviously ranking, where 3 to 5 questions are there in the exam again. Okay, so from these topic only you can get 15 to 20 questions, guys. So and these questions are not much time taking. Okay, you can solve this question within a 15 to 16 minute or 15 to 17 minute maximum. Okay, and puzzle, you can solve the puzzle of RRB clerk and PO level, you can solve within 12 to 15 minute only. Okay, 12 to 15 minute. So maximum you need to spend the time puzzle like 12 minute and 12 minute in this. In the 24 minute you can attempt this section, reasoning ability. 40 out of 40 questions I attempted, and I scored 40 marks with 100% accuracy, guys, with 100% accuracy. Okay, so this is how you can do that. This was my strategy, this was my study plan. Basically in the study plan, what I included mostly, I basically used to reading, puzzle and sitting arrangement related questions whenever I start reading the reasoning ability section. So this was my strategy and this was my study plan as well. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, one of the most important thing, Entry app has launched a 30 days crash course, 30 days crash course for RRB PO and clerk 2020, guys, where you can have 8,000 plus questions to practice. Okay, and complete video courses for quant and reasoning section, where you will have more than 200 plus videos basically. Okay, so complete video courses are there. Like you can also enroll for the banking foundation course, and apart from that, especially for this exams, we have launched 30 days crash course. Okay, and one more thing, for the free of cost you can do the things like RRB rank booster. Okay, IBPS RRB rank booster. So you can tell your friend as well, IBPS RRB rank booster, and you can attempt this quiz at 10 a.m. Okay, so on daily basis we give you some questions based on particular topic. Okay, and that topic have some weightage in the real question paper. So this is how our strategy is going for your preparation, guys, only. So you can download the Entry app, link you can find in the description field, and you can enroll for the course to ensure your success in the exam. And you can attempt, guys, 40 out of 40 in any section, whether it's reasoning or quantitative aptitude. So you can attempt 80 out of 80. Okay, so this was all about the video, guys. Thank you very much.